Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am trying to get in shape. So, what do I got here? I have some Bodylastics. These are gonna be a whole kit of body band stuff. Comes in a nice little bag with a little feet on the bottom so I can put it down somewhere. But let me show you what we've got inside of it here. See if I can aim it down. I have a weird screen protector on here, so I don't know if I can see everything that's going on. Okay, there, take off that. Okay. So when we open it up in here, we have this kind of strap here. I'm not sure what everything is, but I'll show you all the pieces and parts. So here's a big strap here. We've got all of our different variety of bands. So this is what's going to give us all our different strengths. So 3 to 10 pounds and all our different ones there. Let's open this up and take a quick look at these. And you can see they've got the carabiners on there and they are strong. So each one of them is gonna have the little tag on there. And does it say the weight? Let me see. Take it down there. Yes, they do. So on this side here, it says 5 to 20, 40 to 160, 23 to 90. So you've got all your different weights on there. So that is cool with all the different bands. I'll just put those down here and down. But I'll show you guys this one here. Look at this. This is a monster, 40 to 160. So you'll be able to strap it up to something and do your weights pulling it up or whatever you do. Oh, I don't have that kind of strength yet, but I will. Here's a little guide, I guess, with some bands and results and how to do it. And then we have more other straps here. We have oh, that's just a sectioner. It's a section out the sides inside. And then we have the bag. So let's see what these straps here are here. So we have some handles. So these will be useful. So I can go ahead and take this, strap it on to this one. I don't know why I picked the heaviest one, but you get the idea. And then I will be able to have it with the handles to do my exercises like that. Can you guys see what I'm doing? A little bit. Yeah, so there you go. So that is it here. So we have those handles. We have more handles. We can have a couple of people going at once. And lots of different other settings here and different Velcro things. So I could Velcro it around my arms or around my legs to do different other exercises. And even more, we even have the little piece here. I think this one here lets you put it like behind a door and you can pull on it, you know, like pulling down. So you can do that. So we have all our different settings here on it. So I am gonna start doing my exercising and this is gonna be what's gonna get me nice and buff. So hopefully soon as you watch some of my videos, you'll be seeing me getting super strong as I use these things here. So I'll be pulling on these and doing all this stuff here, all the ones like that with the straps going up to the doors and everything. And it looks like each one of these pieces here comes with just two, so you can have matching ones on either side and stuff like that. So I could have these two here. I could have one pulling on one side. I don't want to break anything here, but so if these were hooked up, I could be having one on each. So it's cool that you're given the two of each one, so we can do our exercises and get ourselves in shape. So very cool. Gonna set this all up in my game room, which is gonna be part of the gym. So awesome. I like it. Thumbs up.